I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can take advantage of the connected cash flow system to make money online as a student. And before I continue, my name is Omatule, and on this channel, I create content on how you can grow your business online and how you can expand your business. And if that is the kind of video you want to watch, you want to be successful in your business, you want us to work together and see how you can take your business to the next level, why not subscribe to this channel? There's going to be a red button somewhere there. Just tap on it and subscribe to this channel so that from that moment any video I upload, you are going to get notification and you take a look at it and see how the idea is going to help you take your business to the next level. Okay, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can discover it and it will reach out to more people and help more people. All right, without wasting your time, let's keep the ball rolling. Now, the same method I want to teach you now is the same method that this young girl did the while I use to get this car for herself. She just graduated and enrolled in this business, and within few months she was able to acquire this machine for herself. And there's another young lady called Paul Dominion. I don't know if you have ever heard of her story. She was a secondary school leaver, and using this same system I'm going to teach you now, she was able to make a lot of money, and now she's the one training herself in school. And there is another young girl, Joy Mba, using the same method I'm going to teach you now. She was then able to make a lot of money, and now she has graduated. She bought machine even while she was in school. All right, let's go into the training right away. And what you're going to do is, when you enroll in this business I'm talking about now, you are going to be trained first. Number one, you are going to undergo a little training on how to be professional in this work. And this is one of the things you'll be doing. You'll see this message. You are going to send it to your contacts on your phone. And it depends on the name of the person. Let's say the name of the person is Stephen. You can say, "Hello, Stephen. How is everything? I've recommended you to an NGO currently running a world campaign now in Nigeria. They might contact you for their business partnership if selected. Did they call you?" This is the message you are going to send to your friends. You send to your friends, your uncle. Though you are in school now, you may not have money, but you have people that have money. Your doctor have money. Your uncle have money. Your aunties have money. So you are going to send them this message. And if you send this message to them, they might ask some question. And that is why you need some training. We are going to teach you on how you can respond to them. So if you want to learn how you can respond to them, there's going to be a link somewhere here. Tap on it and we'll teach you what you can respond to them if they get back to you. All right. Okay, now if you send this message to them, one of our consultants from our office will call them and show them the same business opportunity. And if they like it, they come on board. And if they come on board, depends on the account they come on board with. Perhaps they come on board with the entry verse, which will cost them 79,990 naira. Instantly, you are going to make 20,000 naira as a direct referral bonus. And it does not stop there. There are other 7 ways you earn in this business I'm talking to you about. But this is just the beginning. It is called referral bonus. You will earn 20,000 naira instantly. And if you don't have up to this amount to sign up with, because I know you might be a student for now and you may not have this amount, you can still sign up with student pack, which is 49,990 naira, approximately 50,000 naira. You can sign up with this. And if you sign up with this, for anybody you recommend into this business, you are going to be paid 5,000 naira. At least for a student is something to start with. Okay. And some people may say, I don't even have shishi, I don't have any money. In case you belong to those category of people, I will show you what to do. Simply tap on the link around here, the link in the description of this video. Tap on it and I will show you what you can do. Okay, but for now, let's assume you sign up with this amount of money. You sign up, let's assume you sign up with 79,990 naira as a student. Now, if you sign up into this business, your business will be divided into two. You have the right and the left. And if, for instance, you recommend your uncle Abraham, you recommend your auntie Blessing, okay? Now, using the same system that we are going to teach you, remember, you are not going to be working alone. We are going to be guiding you and mentoring you. And you follow our system, the way we taught Joyumba, the way we taught Didi Wala, the way the rest of those people were taught, Paul Dominion, and you use it exactly as this, then it is guaranteed that it is going to deliver results for you. Okay, now you were able to connect A and B. The system will see B and A and match you and pay you 7,000 naira. And those your uncle and your auntie that you connected, they too are going to connect their own persons. And the system is going to identify them and also match them. Okay, so the system is going to identify them and match them accordingly. And because the system see D and E, the system is going to match D and E because E is on the right and D is on the left. The system will match them together and pay you 7,000 naira. Then you can see F is on the right and C is on the left. The system will identify them and pay you 7,000 naira. Okay, and this money will drop into your access bank account. Okay, you can see the way it is going. This is paying your people, it's not yet paying you yet. Okay, now see how it is going to pay you. Now you can see the system C, J and K and pay you 7,000 naira, and the system C, L and I and pay you 7,000 naira, and the system C, H and M and pay you 7,000 naira. Then the system C, G and N and pay you 7,000 naira. Okay, that is, it goes on and on like that to infinity, to continue to go. But our company says the maximum amount they are going to pay you per day is 7,000 naira times 40, and that is 280,000 naira. And that means if everything is working perfectly, if your business is growing to full capacity, you are going to be earning this amount per day. But you need to build it. Okay, now when you're able to build it, then you start making money even as a student. And remember, you started with this amount, and started with 79,990 naira, and the daily potential that this business can pay you is 280,000 naira. But let's assume you did not succeed at 100%. You failed and you only succeeded at 20%. It means that you'll be earning, like in a month, you'll be earning 1.68 million naira. You can even fail below 20%, but at least something is coming into your pocket daily. Okay, and it does not stop there. You continue to make money and continue to be using this system, and as a student, before you know it, you are a millionaire. So that is how you can use this system to make money as a student, just by text messages, by SMS, as simple as that. And you can, if you have mastered our system, you can also use this system to connect your friends on Facebook. But you need to undergo our training. It is not you cannot use this system as an amateur. You need to be trained. Okay, so if you want to learn more and how you can get started with this business, there's going to be a link somewhere around this video, in the description of this video. Tap on it and you will be guided on how you can get started and start making money online as a student. All right, if you benefit something from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you are ready to get started. Let me know what you benefited from this video in the comment section. All right, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that anytime I upload awesome videos like this, you'll be notified that hey, Timothy has uploaded another video. You watch and you help your business. All right, have a nice day and keep winning. Bye.